two powerful marketing platforms. One winner, which truly gives your business the edge. On the left, GetResponse. Easy, all-in-one marketing for everyone. And on the right, Brevo. Scalable and advanced email campaigns. Let's skip the hype and see how they actually stack up. Each round scores points, and by the end, you'll know exactly who reigns supreme. Trust me, the final result might surprise you.
All right, before we get too deep, let me show you the roadmap for this showdown. We've got all the key categories lined up: pricing, automation, template design, integrations, analytics, ease of use, support, and multi-channel capabilities. That's basically everything you'll care about when these tools hit your screen.
So first up, the money question. Literally, pricing. GetResponse keeps it pretty simple with straightforward tiers and a generous 30-day free trial, which is awesome if you want time to mess around before committing. But weirdly, if you've got duplicate contacts, they still count those separately. Kind of annoying, right? And you'll have to pay more if you want some of the fancier automation stuff. Now, Brevo is, okay, here's something interesting. Free forever for light users. I mean, you get 9,000 emails a month for free. You could add like 100K plus contacts, and their paid plans start crazy low at $9 a month. That's a solid baseline. Though, if you want to do super advanced stuff, yeah, costs creep up. It's a bit of a learning curve for the best tools. So for pricing, I gotta give it to Brevo. It's just more wallet friendly. Let's talk about automation, and oh man, this is where things get spicy. GetResponse lets you build solid workflows, and their autoresponders are pretty slick. There are even ready-made templates, so you can launch fast. But if you want the complicated stuff, you'll have to shell out for mid or high-tier plans. Plus, SMS automation? Only for folks on the highest plan. Next, Brevo steps it up by giving you a full automation suite. Even on their free plan, you get behavior-based triggers, and even multi-channel moves like SMS and email, all ready to go. Downsides? It can be a lot if you're just starting out, like information overload. But power users? You're in heaven. So, Brevo, hands down, wins for automation.
We gotta talk design. And honestly, who doesn't want emails that look awesome? GetResponse keeps editing easy, with a drag-and-drop interface and a decent variety of templates that get the job done. But, and you'll notice this after a while, it doesn't let you go as wild with customization compared to Brevo. Now, Brevo, you get a massive design playground. Their templates are super customizable, fully responsive, and yeah, it's a bit more complex to edit. So it's kind of a double-edged sword. More power, just a little steeper on the learning side. But for the creative folks out there, Brevo takes the cake in template design. Quick pause before we wrap up. Did you know Brevo used to be called Sendinblue?
Yeah, they totally rebranded, and in 2023, they ramped up their game into a full-scale marketing suite. Just goes to show how fast tools evolve, right? Moving on to integrations, GetResponse comes packed with over 65 integrations, which honestly covers everything you need: CRMs, e-commerce, analytics, and more. The only thing is, if you're looking for those ultra-niche connections, Brevo's set might appeal more. Brevo offers around 58 integrations, which is technically fewer, but they spread across loads of platforms, so it's more business-type adaptable. The bigger menu means things can get complicated, but if you need flexibility, it's there. On this one, it's actually sort of a tie. Their integration universe is robust either way.
Let's talk numbers.
And yeah, analytics. GetResponse does the basics with performance metrics and essentials that get you up and running, but it's not as deep as you might want if you're a stats nerd. Brevo, though, is on another level. I mean, comprehensive and in-depth reporting, deep audience insights. You can really dig in and track what's working. There is a slight learning curve to the interface, but it's worth it for all that juicy data. Analytics winner? Brevo, for sure.
Up next, ease of use.
GetResponse basically welcomes you with a super clean, straightforward interface. Even if you're just getting started, like totally new, nothing's confusing, and you'll be up and running almost immediately. That being said, if you want to push into super advanced stuff, you'll hit limits. Moving to Brevo, you get this nice balance. It's got the power and features, but the dashboard is clear, too. Still, to unlock everything, the learning curve creeps in. So while Brevo isn't exactly hard, for sheer beginner friendliness, GetResponse wins ease of use.
All right, now support GetResponse goes all out. Live chat, email, phone, even Slack support included. If you need help, you're covered.
They'll even assign you a dedicated manager on higher plans, which is pretty next level, though, yeah, it's locked for premium users sometimes. Brevo is solid too, serving up 24/7 support via chat, email, phone. Only catch? No personal manager unless you're on a top tier. So, for personalized and diverse support, GetResponse is the winner.
Our last category, multi-channel capabilities. GetResponse covers landing pages, web push, webinars, even ads, which is great. But if you're set on doing SMS automation, heads up, it's just for the highest tier. Now, Brevo, they're like, why stop at email? You get SMS, WhatsApp, notifications, and these aren't just add-ons. They're built in for all tiers. You can build user journeys that span every channel. Only catch? You'll need to put in some setup work. But feature-wise, Brevo clearly wins for multi-channel muscle. Let's line up those scores side by side on a radar chart so you can get that, big picture view. You can see where GetResponse shines for ease and support, and where Brevo just dominates in automation, analytics, and multi-channel features. The score gaps really jump out. Honestly, here's the bottom line. If you want advanced, scalable email and multi-channel magic with deep analytics, Brevo's your winner. But if you want something super simple, clean, and perfect for beginners, GetResponse is your best bet. Each one has quirks, so it depends on what you actually need. Hey, if this helped you sort through the choice and maybe saved you a headache, hit subscribe so you don't miss my next round of digital marketing insights. I'll see you in the next one.